collection.
Help all kids learn and grow with PBS Kids. Thank you for supporting your PBS station.
Ooh, the dinosaur train!
PBS Kids is your ticket for the dinosaur train.
Tickets? Tickets, please?
It's a trip you don't want to miss. Sure, some even say it's the greatest.
The dinosaur train is the greatest!
You can say that again, Tiny.
The dinosaur train is the greatest!
Watch Dinosaur Train weekdays on PBS Kids, and now available on DVD.
Dan and Shay just
Are you ready for PBS Kids Creature Quiz? Sure thing. What has 4 sets of eyes? Travels in a pack. And sometimes looks like an aardvark, walrus, cheetah, lizard, falcon, rhinoceros, hippopotamus. Yes, the wildcats. Together with their awesome creature powers, there's no animal they can't rescue. To the clouds. That sounds like a creature mission to me.
Wildcats is available on DVD.
At PBS Kids, when things get strange.
So what's your problem, sir?
It's our restaurant. It's been robbed.
Wait for it.
On a table.
One. Which one of you is out?
Would things stop making sense?
Seriously? Have a good day, sir.
And you need a hand to, call on Squad.
Now available on DVD.